in this man's house.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, guys? We're gonna install coils on this G35. I'm putting these on my car. It's just gonna look hella sexy. Hey man, how you think this is gonna go, bro? How you think this is gonna go?
We're already struggling, bro. You know, this is...
Hey, we finna be here for 12 hours, dog. That's how long it took for me struggling.
The machine coming off.
Okay, I see you, bro.
Let go of the brake. hit the brake. I feel like these ain't even tight, bro.
They're not. Look how easy you broke that shit.
Mine don't have the back end.
That shit's crazy, dude. You know what that is, dude.
It's so the bolt can go through on the back side.
Hold on, fool. Wait. Okay, I guess you put that in, and then you put.
What the fuck?
It's like an adapter, bro.
It's an extension.
Oh, is it?
No, what are you doing? What size is that?
That's a 15.
Do you need a deep socket 15 or a normal 15?
Probably deep socket.
Deep socket? Here. Do you need an extension?
Nah, he shouldn't.
No,
need
that
it.
size is too big for me, bro. Shit, way too big.
Oh god. Hold on, let me see if I got something. Try this. Oh no, here, I got a bigger one right here. Look how big that is.
Big one.
This one had a big
This one's probably way too fucking big, nigga.
Oh my god. Alright, we got an update progress right now. We cannot take this bolt off down here. Same problem as my car. This man, he's stronger than all of us, could not take that off at all. So now we're taking off this wheel and
nah,
we're
you
putting
can
on
hammer
my
that
wheel.
in for sure. You can hammer that shit in for
Think so?
sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Dude.
Damn, boy.
Damn, boy. Oh, I need this one.
Oh, you saw the FRS over there?
Yeah, that shit is nice, bro.
That's
I
my
thought that was
homies.
one of y'all's cars.
That's my homies.
Bro, I was getting excited pulling up here.
And then he went down the street and saw it.
Bro, this shit is not gonna fucking help. Someone else to fucking do it, bro.
Dylan,
This is your car, bro. You gotta do it
this is your
yourself.
car, bro.
If we fucking car up, it's not our fault.
Niggas finna dip the wrench.
On God, bro.
Really gonna miss, bro. This shit got on well.
Nigga, I'm gonna bang my
You gotta
finger.
stretch the metal out for it to grab on. And that lug nut's gonna.
Bro, it's not gonna fit in here, bro. I promise.
Get us.
You don't think just a size smaller would just...
That is the size smaller.
Okay, then put this shit on the thingy, bro.
Start it up. Shit. Oh shit, this man got backfired. Yo, this shit is badass. Alright bro, you good? The car's gonna come. Yo, this is sick. My man, the GOAT. How you feel, bro? Hey.
Yo, a meal, dude.
Yeah, I'm
Yo,
good.
big ass meal.
My nigga, what the fuck?
Oh,
that was
Oh. Nah, you playing.
Nah, you don't
Yo,
do that
shit.
shit.
Yo, with that sucker.
You got the whole video or what?
yeah, I got on video. I got your reaction too. You look so relieved.
Yo, just because of all the struggles that we had to
Yeah,
go
bro.
through for that shit. What the
I'm keeping this shit,
That's
bro.
hella strip, dude. That's fine. Let me see.
fuck? Whoever did that, they.
Now you think I'm pretty sure
This
most
is
of that
your
was on
fault,
the
bro.
inside.
Nah, hell no, it was not.
Hold that bitch, nigga. Stop.
Oils my man got. Some TruHarts. They look A1 fantastic. How low you going?
4 inches, bro.
Hey, max them, bro. Max it out.
I'm taking out these red rings too. Damn, nigga, they ain't come with. Is that maxed or what?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really?
but it's you can compare it over there. It's not
Yeah,
that
it's not
No,
new.
look at the stock compared to that. You're barely going dropping.
Yeah, that's true.
That's like
You
God.
gotta settle in too.
Stick that bitch in, bro.
Yeah, nigga, it don't have the fucking.
Oh,
hole
the bracket for that? You
Nah,
probably had
it
to tuck
is.
it in.
It's right
Hey,
here.
I got it. No, I don't got no.
Oh
size.
yeah.
It's right here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did it say anything like that?
Yeah. It said it'll either come with brackets or metal plates that you can fold to place.
Where the fuck would you put this shit at?
Fuck. Drop your shit over here.
Got here extending it right now.
Let it build tractor.
up. Stick them holes in, nigga.
Go ahead. Hand tighten it.
Take care.
That's me and you.
Next week for sure, GTI going low.
Bet, bro. All right.
Nah,
Let's
you
see.
ain't. You
I
bitch.
am. VC's 900. I'm paying for
We
it.
maxing out?
I'm about it.
You gonna max it out, bro?
Hell yeah.
Big money.
My bad, baller.
Nah.
You should be hand tightened.
Nah, just hand tighten it for now, cause we might have to even jack.
Oh man, boy, this is not work.
That ain't gonna fuck up the rotor?
Nah, that's
You sure?
It'll be good. This guy.
On a cold engine, damn. Feels bad.
The rotor is, bro. You see how high it is? That's just gonna be low, dude. And we got the other coil in. My man Kobe doing all the work. You better pay him, bro. That's your personal mechanic. All right, we're taking out the back spring right now.
switch it over?
Does it matter?
I don't think
Let me just get out the way
Yeah,
real
it don't
quick.
fucking matter. The first one looks easier too. Or that was our
That's crazy. It's not even like on the floor. I feel like it's gonna hit the top, bro. What do you think about this? What do you think about this?
Oh god,
When you put it down.
when it settles,
When it's down and settles, bro, you're gonna be low as hell. You're gonna be like lower than Kobe.
as much, dude.
No, I'm not.
Like right here, nigga.
Yeah, you're gonna be
You
low,
gonna be
dude.
Kobe low, bro. Like it's gonna be right here, like to the letters. This nigga's life flashing before his eyes.
Bro, we need to chill, bro.
Nah, nigga, we leaving it like that, nigga. Like, nigga, you weren't even that low. You weren't even close to being that low. He was on 2-inch.
It's lifestyle, baby. Dang. It's good to see this thing in daylight. What's up, bro? Yo, we got the whole back. We got the backs on now.
You did?
Yeah, we just got install them.
Yeah.
Let me drive your car, bro.
Yeah, you will. Hold on.
Alright. Yeah, that's my brother's car. It looks really good. You guys saw it in the last vlog. Rotoform wheels, I think. No, they're not. It's some photoforms. Yeah, I smell your clutch, dude. That shit's burning.
Fucking traffic.
Hey, your shit.
Chill, bro.
The backs are on. I adjusted those myself. I don't know. I feel like the car's gonna rake upwards, but we'll see. We gotta tuck in the lines in the back, and this man would have like ripped his brake line if we just kept on going. Oh yeah, get them lug nuts in there, boy.
Still working on that one?
Still needs to settle in. I think he's gonna be like really, really low. What do you think, bro?
Really, really low.
Like the front is gonna be dumped, but the back I feel like it's gonna be higher.
That shit's really suck as fuck.
Cause no, this one we maxed this one out. This one I like do it a little bit.
Took out the
It's kind of sloped a little bit. That's why the nut's kind of stuck. And right here, the nut is there. You could twist it there. This is hard to get out.
Oil.
Oh, so this
Grab
bolt can
this.
come out right? It comes out perfectly, right? It's not stuck in there.
No, it's not stuck in there.
Guys, we got this bolt out. Let me bring the camera here. All right, so pretty much what I did here is just wanted to fit snug like that and get you a little partner. Get the wrench, you know what I mean, and just pull that out.
Put the wheel back on.
All right, let's do it, boys. I'm gonna put the wheels back on and jack the car down. Oh wait, there's only one wheel we need. Okay, that's good.
Man, put the last wheel.
Damn wheel.
Whose phone is this?
Oh, we should be good.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah, that bar that's hanging out.
Oh no. I don't know. The radiator's right above that.
Nah.
Right?
Keep going in till I tell you stop. Down?
Oh, you
That's
talking
it.
about right there?
Yeah, that's it right there.
On the beam?
Yeah, right there.
Is it good in the middle?
Yeah, that's good. I think that's the radiator. You're gonna put it on, food.
Nah, that's the sway bar. Hey, I think you could get the jacks on them.
Hey, try to get the jacks on that side. And in the back.
Manuel. Not yet, not yet. Let me get this side.
To the left, right?
Yeah, left.
Don't do it too fast, bro.
Yeah, go slow, go slow.
Wait.
Bro, put 2 hands on that, bro.
It should be good, right?
Yeah, go to the
We'll see. Slowly. Wait. Bring it back up.
Come out.
There's still the jack is in the middle.
Yeah, dumb as shit.
Oh my
Twist it
god.
right, twist it right. Jack it like that. You have to jack one side at a time. You have to jack this side. Take out these 2 jacks and then jack up that side and take those 2 out.
Oh yeah, true.
Y'all
Come on, man. Well, what you doing, bro?
Y'all niggas fucked up.
Come on, man. Well.
That nigga's told me to move.
Manuel, what'd you do with the sockets in here?
Yeah.
Try to fucking get that hoe.
Oh my. Yo, this shit is so. We literally have it like by this right here. This is so sketch right now.
Jack up that one side. This way? Yeah, right here.
Oh, good thing we got a second man.
Show my toe.
Show this.
This shit's holding on to one jack.
We're good, bro. We're good.
Whatever.
Oh shit, yo.
No
Yo.
way.
This man is low.
Never use no channel locks like this. Sonny? What is that nigga's name? From Eliminate?
Oh, Sonny?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could drive like
he
this.
drives like that, you can drive
Wait,
like that.
he has like fender like this. He can't turn his wheel.
Nah, he can't. His.
Oh, it's,
he has
it's
like
camber, right?
Camber.
Yeah.
He has nice ass fitment though. He made his own custom camber arm, so
Oh, that's lit.
that shit's fucking suspect as fuck.
I'm telling you, the core.
Damn. This shit's gonna get ripped off.
I'm pretty sure
Oh my god. How'd you
y'all
mess
gave
that
it
up,
to
bro?
me, bro.
Man, got his key lock back. We got this, whatever that is, the socket back.
Socket, bro.
We'll be back tomorrow though to help fix this man's car.
It's gonna be easier fixing this or fixing the back?
I think the front will be easier.
That's not way easier. Bolt that's holding to the coilover
Oh yeah,
to
in the
the
top
upper
two.
control arm, and you take it off, and then
just
you can
like
push the caliper down because it goes more down, and then just hold it down and have someone.
That man too short, huh? You good? Oh yeah, this part is way too high.
Try going off the driveway. Is it touching? Not really.
No, you good, you good. Bro, that shit, yeah, that shit barely touches. Yeah, you good, bro. Oh, shit. God damn.
He said not that bad. Not Eric's car was worse, dude.
Really?
Yeah, Eric's car was
Just to see me go up this driveway.
We got a lift.
Almost killed him.
Hey, yo, let's go for a ride. Oh, no way, you gotta turn back. That shit's fucking low.
Chill, yo. Yo, this shit is like scraping. Oh my god. The bumper is like dragging on the floor.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah.
He hit the fucking little light thing.
What light?
Like, you know, on the ground, like the blue.
Oh,
light?
yeah.
For real? How come it's doing like something?
lane
Yeah, I
divider.
caught it on video, Lou. Go watch
Dude,
it.
shit, sick ass hoodie, bro. Where'd you get it from?
Sick ass.
Where'd you get that hoodie from,
Our
bro?
God, Clove.
Our God's Club, what?
Our God, Clove.com.
Oh shit! All right, bro. I see you. Here are the remains, old remains, and we got the new ones on the baby right here. This shit, it looks really good. The fitment A1, but you cannot drive this thing. I mean, it's drivable, but you gotta be really careful because it literally rubs on top of the wheel well. They're saying it rubs on the headlight. It's crazy. But we're gonna head to Lisa's Vicken, my brother's job, and we're gonna go get some food.
That footy on this shit, bro.
Oh shit, Manuel.
What?
One.
Keep going till you can't stop, huh?
Nah.
One
One more.
Hit the 10, hit the 10.
That arm's dumb, bro.
Well, it's because you're not. I don't work on your car.
Strong ass,
And
man.
I drive an automatic too.
It'd be like that.
It's 4 hours away.
What are they playing for?
Me and my niggas pulling up, sitting low. I told ya, now it's time to show ya. Pull up smoking.